Hi everyone! Today I wanted to talk to you about Module 5, which is Understanding Course Expectations. So in this module, I just wanted to quickly go over what are the course expectations and what will you be required to do. One of the things you'll be required to do is to do a daily check-in. Every morning, we will have a virtual online meet and it will be synchronous, meaning it will go live. And as I said in my first module, our class starts at 8:30 a.m. So I expect all students to be logged in at that time. It is like our homeroom check and our attendance and announcements. That is where we will chat about what's going on in the morning, any announcements I have for you, any announcements you have for me. So that is an expectation that I expect all students to be ready and present online using their webcams. And if for some reason you cannot be present, please email me. And my email was provided in the newsletter for the Welcome to Grade 1 students. The second thing you will be required to do is submit assignments. So there's an assignments folder that I went over in the first module for navigation and etiquette. And when there's an assignment to complete for that module, there will be a due date attached to it. And once you have completed the assignment in any kind of application, for example, Google Docs, or you created Google Slides, just copy that link or upload the document if you saved it onto your computer into the assignments folder. So if you forgot how to do that, just go back to Module 1 and under Navigation, you will see me giving a short little video tutorial of how to upload an assignment. The next thing you'll be required to do is participate in class. And this was one of our classroom rules and expectations that I already outlined in the previous module. But just to reiterate it, you're not only supposed to be present in the class, I would really like you to participate by virtually raising your hand, and there is an option to do that in Google Meets and in Zoom. I believe we're going to first start using Zoom in our chats and see how that goes. If for some reason we have technical difficulties for a while, we will switch over to Google Meets. You will all be muted at first until we can figure out the proper way of sharing comments, questions, and things like that in our live chats, just because we have quite a few students joining us online every day. We want to give everybody an equal opportunity to speak or raise their hand or make a comment if that's the case. So yes, you'll be required to participate online when we have a live session, and I expect you to be present there as well. We can also use the comment or the chat box, which is available in the Zoom chat or the Google Meets. There's a chat box and I might type in a question or a comment, or maybe someone's having some difficulties. They may have logged in late or they might need to restart their computer. So that is a good way to communicate with me right then and there. Instead of sending me an email when we're in a live chat, just type in the chat directly, and that way I will get the message right away and I can respond or help you out if need be. Another thing you're expected to do in the course is participate actively in group discussions. So we already had a few discussions posted. One of them was student introductions. So yes, I expect everyone to give a formal introduction or informal introductions. It could be via video or audio file. You can create even a Google slide presentation about yourself, if you would like, or you can just write it out or type it out directly into the discussions box. But having a continuous discussion will allow us to communicate back and forth. It will also teach you how to communicate better online with students and each other, because at one point we will be doing more and more group work or partner work online because everything is now virtual, and that way you'll be feeling more comfortable in that environment and how that works and what it looks like. So another component of understanding what you're expected to do in the course is to participate in our discussion topics. And there's not a discussion topic for each module, but I would say almost every other module has a discussion topic attached to it, and you will see it underneath the submodules for that module, that there's a discussion topic and here it is. Or here's the question, and you're supposed to either reflect, watch a video, and then respond or make a comment. If for whatever reason you're confused or you don't understand what to do, just just email me right away and I will help you. I can even do a little tutorial for you and send you that video again. But that was already shown, I believe, in the first module for course navigation and etiquette. Another thing you're also required to do is if you need to take extra notes or use extra resources or tools, online tools, for example, or applications, please do so. As I already stated and mentioned and showed in the previous modules, there's many different applications and tools we can use in our online virtual learning environment. There's a lot more than that I didn't show. It just becomes a bit more maybe complicated for other students to understand how to use all these other tools. So I only showed probably the most important, interactive, fun ones that we probably will come across or we already started using, and I wanted you to become familiar with. So that is something I want to highlight is we're going to be learning how to use a lot more online applications and tools. And I don't want you to be worried or discouraged because these applications are brand new to you. This is something we're going to navigate together. And as you already saw, we already used Padlet to post comments about how to be more organized in our previous module. So even if it doesn't work out for you the first time, we could always watch an online tutorial together about it, or I can send you a link to another tutorial or explain it to you. Just reach out to me via email and I will be happy to do so. So these are some of the expectations you were required to do in the course to be successful. So let's just go through them again quickly. It is to participate and log in online. So participate in the live session. You're supposed to post to your discussion topics and also respond to another student if that is the requirement for that discussion post. You're also supposed to turn into your assignments on time and into the assignments folder, and that tutorial was given in our Module 1, Navigation and Etiquette. And you're also required to learn about new applications that we already discussed and start using them to create your own content and your own assignments that we will work through in the modules. Again, anything else? And if you have any questions, just reach out and email me. Other than that, we will work through this together and I'm happy to assist you.